Hi, welcome back to Study Room. In this video, we will be doing a quick revision of the chapter and we will recall all the major takeaways we have studied in this chapter. So let's start. Yes, first thing is India is the seventh largest country in the world and it is surrounded by Indian Ocean in the peninsular side. Peninsular side, let me revise it for you. It's the side where it started making triangle, right? So where it started tapering like from 22-degree north. Okay, so the taper side, it's the peninsular side. Okay, and it's surrounded by Indian Ocean. Tropic of Cancer, 23-degree 30 north, divides the country into almost two equal halves. Okay, so since like equator divides the earth into equal halves, the Tropic of Cancer divides our country into two equal halves. All right. Standard meridian of India, and its measurement is 82-degree 30 east, passes through Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. That's why there is a lag of 2 hours between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. We are all well aware of it. India's neighbor include land neighbors. We are talking about. So next point, India neighbors include. So we are here talking about neighbors which share our land boundary. Okay, they are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Maldives, and Sri Lanka. We do not share land boundary, but they are our neighbors. Okay. Next, India has central position. Yes, it has strategic central position, owning its connectivity to rest of the world through land and sea routes both. So we have strategic location which helps us in establishing a good business relationship with the rest of the world, be it from north side or be it from south side. From north majorly through land routes and from south majorly through sea routes. Okay. Next, certain geographical features of India like mountain passes have enabled exchange of idea and culture since ages. Yes, mountain passage or any type of passage has enabled exchange of ideas and cultural exchange. There used to be exchange of ideas in culture and influence, and all the innovation that has been made since ages. So there was not just traveling of goods or commodities from one place to another. It used to travel with an idea. Okay, so I've tried to create a bulb and this is the idea. Obviously, because the movement was not the movement was with people, and people include themselves in it, their ideas, their cultural background, their ideologies, their way of thinking. So I've given you the example of Marco Polo, who is a very famous Italian traveler. He extensively traveled China. Okay, so he extensively traveled China, and he learned in China the famous uh, art of wood printing. Okay, wood printing, which he has taken this art to his country, Italy, and from there it leads to the printing culture. So majorly this was all which was there in the chapter. Thank you everyone for joining with me on Study Room. I will see you on. Thank you everyone for joining with me on Study Room. I will see you all in the next video with another chapter. Bye. Take care.